So we went to spend this weekend at the Kosgoda Sheraton 5-star hotel. We could see how beautifully maintained their garden was. They welcomed us with the traditional dance. The lobby area of the hotel was very beautiful, and there was a unique collection of masks from our country displayed on the wall. The room we were given was very comfortable. From the room, we had a beautiful sea view. When we went to the hotel's rooftop between 5 and 6 in the evening, we were able to watch the stunning sunset. So we had a very comfortable and enjoyable weekend at this hotel.